Did you say hello nicely?
We're at the Halloween parade, and we're doing stuff.
Do you like ice cream?
Do you like ice cream?
A little bit? Oh, that's cool.
What are you for Halloween?
I'm Mr. Sunshine.
Cool.
I like hugs. Hugs are good. And that's fine. We just was turning the corner. We just was turning the corner. So magnificent. Hugs are a source of happiness. They make you love. Hugs are awesome. I love hugs. I love them. Hugs make you feel like you're accepted in life and not like a big fat diaper. Hugs is what makes you you. Cut the scene! Cut it. Come on, look at this laser bumblebee, Evan. So, you like Applebee's? Oh my gosh, it's a
free kids meal and a candy.
Go.
trick or treat.
Wait, she's already going.
Come on. Trick or treat.
Thank you for saying it. There you go. There you go.
Got one. Treat.
Go.
Oh, cute puppy. I want a hug. I like hugs. Hugs are very good. I'm gonna put some hot dog too. Good hot dog. Good hot dog. Good hot dog.
Now start.
that was a parade. It was scary. It makes me strong. It makes me have more muscles. It makes me feel so loved. That was a parade. That was fun. That made me a different person. It was challenging, but it was fun. And it made me better as a human being. And that is all that matters.